Today we are going to learn on very interesting topic. The topic is that why always the value of pi is 22 by 7, not 23 by 7, not 24 by 7, nothing other than this value, that is pi is equal to 22 by 7. And what is pi? Pi is the ratio of circles circumference to its diameter. Pi is the ratio of a circumference of a circle to its diameter. Now we will understand this factor, that what does this definition means. Through example we are going to understand this topic. For understanding this definition, we are going to make 4 circles. Circle 1, of which the diameter is 7 centimeter. Circle 2, of which the diameter is 14 centimeter. Circle 3, of which the diameter is 21 centimeter. And the last circle, of which the diameter is 28 centimeter. Now we are going to put the value of this circle 1 circumference. Circle 2 circumference is 44 centimeter. Circle 3 circumference is 66 centimeter. And circle 4 circumference is 88 centimeter. Now according to the definition of pi, we have seen that it is saying pi is the ratio of circumference of a circle. Means that we will write the circumference of the circle and to its diameter, means by diameter. So if we are going to solve this according to the formula, then we are going to get what? Let's see, 22 by 7. So this is the value of pi. We know that the value of pi is 22 by 7. So through this definition we are able to prove in the first circle that the pi is the ratio of circumference of a circle to its diameter. Let's see in the second example. C2 by D2, circumference of a circle 2 and diameter 2. The value of circumference of circle 2 is 44 and this diameter is 14. Now you must have been thinking that this is not the value of the pi, but if you are going to convert this to the lowest term, that is 2 2s and 2 2s 2 7, you are able to get 22 by 7 again. So hence by this example also we are able to prove that the value of pi is 22 by 7. Let's see in the circumference of third circle by diameter 3, 66 by 21. Still you'll be able to see that it is not coming 22 by 7, but if we are going to simplify it to the lowest term, 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 7s are. Again we have got this value 22 by 7. This is our last example. By this we will be confirmed that the value of pi is 22 by 7. So circumference of fourth circle by diameter 4, 88 by 28. 4 2s are 4 2s are 2 7, 22 by 7. Now we have come to know that why the value of pi is 22 by 7, because through the definition only it is saying that it is the circumference of it is the ratio of circumference of the circle to its diameter. Now we will be understanding few more factors related to this. The factors are like circumference by diameter equals to 22 by 7, that is equal to pi. So C by D equals to pi. Nothing is there means that it is a 1. When we will cross multiply, what we will find, circumference is equal to pi into D, and we know that diameter is equals to 2 into r. The formula of diameter is what? When we are going to multiply 2 into r, that is only the formula of diameter to find out the diameter. Yes or no? So 2 into r, that is 2r. So circumference is equal to pi into 2r. That is we have got how to find the circumference of a circle. We have developed a formula, 2 pi r. This is the formula to find the circumference of a circle. So through this we are able to frame a formula. Now few more factors are there related to the pi, which is very interesting to know, that which all places pi's can be used. Pi's can be used to find all the things about a circle, like area of a circle, area of circle, circumference of a circle,